guys, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We are rocking Bryan Adams' 51st stage. Bryan Adams, he is a legend. He's been around like 40 years or so. So yeah, he's still rocking it and we love that. So let's focus on this song without any capo. We're gonna go into this 5-chord song and we're gonna start with the E first, okay? That's how it starts everything. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the G sharp next, which is a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 4th fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A, 6 D, and 5th G. You move everything one string down, exactly the same grip, and you land on this C sharp minor. So you have a bar still on the 4th fret, 5 strings this time is what you need to bar, and then you need to add 6 on, let's see, D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor. Then we're gonna go over to this position. That's a B. We're gonna go with the sus2 version. So it's a bar chord. You place index finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings, the same 5 strings as in the C sharp minor. Then you need to add 4th D and 4th G. And finally we have the A, and that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so we have different ways to handle this, okay? So my suggestion is to go with the 4 down, so to play like that, okay? So you want to emphasize the 3rd down in the way that you're going to play on the higher strings, on that down, but the other ones you're going to play on the bass strings. So it's bass, bass, top, bass. You can do that down, up instead if you want to, so either way, you're gonna play down, up, or down, down. That's one string around. Now let's focus on this first verse. So we have a 2 parts of a verse, okay? The first half of it goes E4, G sharp 4, C sharp 2, B sus2, and A4. Let's play that first. So E, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. C sharp, 2, B sus, 2, A, 2, 3, 4. That's the first half. The second half goes E4, G sharp 4, C sharp 2, A2, and E2 plus 1 down in the pause. That pause builds up for the chorus, so let's play that together. E4, G sharp, 3, 4, C sharp, A, E, down, and the pause. And that builds up for the chorus that starts right after at 36 seconds in. Let me give it to you straight, okay? So that's where in the lyrics. So what you're gonna play now is first E4, B sus4, C sharp 2, A2, and E4. Let's play that first. So it goes like this. 3, 4, B sus, 3, 4, C sharp, A, and E, 3, 4. Then you're gonna continue with E4, G sharp 4, A2, and then comes a short little medley I'm gonna show you very soon. But first let's play the E4, G sharp, 3, 4, A, 2, and then comes this with after a pause. We're gonna play like this. Okay, so it's played like I play a little bar on the 2nd fret and push down all strings there pretty much. I'm gonna play the 2nd fret E string, then 4th A, 4th, let's say G, and then 2nd G. I release that and get that with the bar, and then I'm gonna play again this 2nd E, 4th E, and finally 5th E with a pause. So slowly like this. Okay, and that builds up for the post chorus that comes right after. You're gonna play E1, G sharp 1, C sharp 1, B sus 1, and A4. That's the first round, guys. Okay, second round now. The second verse differs a little bit from the first one. Remember, we had two different parts, two halves of it. So the second half, we're going to play the E4, G sharp 4, C sharp 2, A2. And then in the end, now you're going to play E4. That is what you're going to play for 2 times, okay? So 2 times of that same chord progression I just mentioned. Then you're going to go into the final chorus, and you're going to play that the exact same way up until you're going to play that melody. And then you're going to end with that E. A couple of rounds of that. 4 of them, I believe. And that's it, guys. 51st stage, Bryan Adams is still rocking, and he does it well. Thank you for watching, guys. And next time, play tuned.